Hello and welcome to my healthy thali. Today's recipe is inspired by one of the most favorite forms of dumpling among all the Indians and probably one of the most popular dishes coming from the Indian terrains sharing boundaries with the Tibetan region. A plate full of piping hot momos. Even though it is usually steamed, many of the health-conscious people try to avoid having them because of the wrapper made of refined wheat flour or maida, which is a source of simple carbohydrates without any added nutrients. So, today I am going to share with you how to make these delicious momos a lot healthier and protein rich. Let's make quinoa momos or quinoa dumplings. But before getting into the recipe, hit the red subscribe button and the little bell icon to stay updated with more such healthified versions of Indian delicacies. So let's start with the preparation. Take about 60 gram of quinoa and wash it thoroughly 2 to 3 times. Soak the washed quinoa in water for about 15 minutes. This will get rid of the saponins which coat the seeds and impart bitterness to it. Take about 250 to 270 grams of chicken breasts and mince them. You can buy minced chicken too, but I had used food processor for my recipe. You may also mince them with a knife. Add about 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, 2/3 teaspoon of soya sauce and 1/4 teaspoon vinegar. Mix everything together. Add in about 1 teaspoon garlic paste and half a teaspoon ginger paste and mix all of these thoroughly. Now divide the marinated chicken into 2 parts, one part a little more than the other. Take the lesser portion and add about 1/3 cup of finely chopped carrots, half cup of finely chopped cabbage, 1/3 cup of finely chopped onion, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1/3 teaspoon soya sauce, half teaspoon vinegar and about 1 tablespoon finely chopped coriander leaves. Season with some salt and black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly. You may also add any other vegetables of your choice. Take the soaked quinoa. Wash them again and drain them properly. Add about half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, salt to taste and some black pepper. Mix everything well. Now take the mesh of the momo steamer and prep it by lining it with some big cabbage leaves. Take a dollop of marinated minced chicken. Make a thin sheet of it and add a small dollop of chicken vegetable mixture and coat this with the marinated chicken. You don't need to cover it fully. About 2/3 of the surface being covered will do the job. Gently roll it into a ball like this. Now coat the prepared ball with quinoa like so. Gently place it over the cabbage-lined momo steamer mesh. Prepare all the dumplings like so. Steam them for about 15 minutes. There you have your quinoa momos or quinoa dumpling ready to be served. Enjoy them hot with some spicy momo chutney and you will fall in love with these. Visit my Instagram, My Healthy Thali, to get the recipe of the spicy momo chutney. If you want to download the printable version of this recipe, then do check out the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, then hit the like button and share this with momo lovers you may know of. Comment below the dish you would like to see a healthy version of in the upcoming videos. See you next week. Bye bye.